All right, boys. Trade recap of the day. Whoo! We got a lot. We got a lot to go over. A lot to go over. Let's go over the two trades I took today. Um, First trade was a break even. Second one was an absolute W. Yeah. So going into the day, I was very bullish. To be honest, I was very bullish. We left relative equal highs right here above. We had a nice little area inside of a discount where we could come back and retrace into, which is exactly what we did. We retraced to this 4-hour bullish for value gap. Perfectly respected it. Perfectly respected equilibrium. So that's what I kind of based it off of. That retrace, and then relative equal highs were obviously the draw on liquidity for the day. And yeah, I basically took this first one, right, because we tapped into the 4-hour gap. We swept these equal lows that were also London lows. And I was thinking, okay, well, I know it's not a discount, but we swept equal lows and London lows. We swept it, or we tapped at this 4-hour gap. I want to see this continue higher from this point, right, because we have equal highs above right here. Overall, this was a really good day. So what do? I look for the inversion of this little manipulation leg that took out these lows. And then we got a 1-minute IVG. So what I do, I entered right here. I was taking it up to these equal highs right here that I wanted to see get hit. And break even when I was at this internal low, and break even got hit. So yeah. So break even got hit here, and yeah, nothing else to say pretty much with that. And then we kind of start dumping down a little bit. And then I'm like, okay, that means either one of two things. If this one didn't hit right here, it means one of two things. We either wanted to go even lower, displace plus this 4-hour gap, which is now a condition, or we wanted to come resweep this low, right? Resweep the low and go into equilibrium of the range. And that's exactly what we did. We went into equilibrium of the range. I just showed you that. And yeah, what did I take? I took the highest time frame inversion of this manipulation leg, which was this 5-minute inversion for value gap. I put my stop loss at these candle bodies right here, because we delivered off of this nice little bullish for value gap. We beautifully respected this. Wait, that's bearish. We respected this nice bullish FEG, and then we got a nice 5-minute IFEG, and yeah, pretty nice stuff overall. Pretty good stuff overall. I'm very happy with this trade for sure. There was a 3-minute as well right here, which was also a good one, but right here, right, it's up there, put it up there, and then could have put like the stop loss, I guess, at these for very gap lows, something like that, and then you could have gone break even once you took that. But I put break even right here, and then break even got hit, right? And then, we kind of ripped a TP, and that's pretty much it. It was a very good day. Free days like this, you gotta capitalize on, and I'm glad I made sure to today. So overall, for today's profits, we made $218 on the 50K Express funded account, which was really nice. Yeah, back on that way to that payout, and hopefully we get it soon. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap of the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you want to actually take trades like this with me for free, join the Discord. It is in my bio on Instagram. Just click on the highlights. Has a link in there for you guys. Come on, join me with other like-minded traders that want to trade and get better and get really close to that profitability. So yeah, I'm not going to be, I guess I'll be sort of like a signal bot in a way, but I want it to be more of like, I'm kind of teaching you how I go through things, and then how my thought process affects the way I trade, okay? And then ultimately influences which trades I take, okay? So that's pretty much it for today's trade recap, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, boys. Bye.